So, hi, dear Leo. Very, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal. 7 days, 7 oracle messages for all the Leo, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 6th till the 12th of April 2026. Please keep in mind these are general messages and they might or might not resonate with you. Please don't try to fit yourself forcibly into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you. Please keep that in mind, okay? For personal reading, healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. Check that out, okay? So let's start. Let's see the overall energy for Leo people for this week, 6th to 12th April. Overall energy for Leo people for this week. Okay. So we have the Emperor, stability and efficiency, taking charge of a situation, ambitious plans. This week can provide you the stability and the efficiency that you guys are looking forward to have, especially in your professional life, Leo. You guys have to take the charge of a situation in hand that might be creating some kind of issues in your life again and again and again. You guys have to make the ambitious plans. So if you are hoping for some kind of outcome in a particular situation, you guys have to make the plans accordingly, okay? Your ambitious energies are going to provide you the kind of results that you guys are looking forward to have. The moment I start doing the reading, these people also start doing okay, honey, thank you for the support. Let's see the day-to-day messages. For 6th, we have 2 of Gabriel. Make bold and ambitious choices. Great progress is possible. Important relationships with people who share your vision. You guys have to make some kind of bold and ambitious choices. If you guys are going to sit there and do nothing about what you really, really want to achieve in your life, it's going to be a dream only, right? So you guys have to make the bold and ambitious choices. Great progress is possible if you guys are going to make the choices and take the actions accordingly. Important relationships, you guys will be able to find out people who are going to share your vision and your style of goals, your style of walking on the path, okay? And you guys are going to find friendly people while you will start walking on the path of your goal, of your ambition, whatever it is. 7th, we have the 8 of Raphael. There is something better waiting for you. Do what you know is right for you, a spiritual quest. There is something better waiting for you, meaning you might be holding on to something or someone that you know is not good for you anymore. So there is something better waiting for you on the horizon. Do what you know is right for you, not what you think is right for you. Do what you know is right for you, right? A spiritual quest might be you guys are going through some kind of confusing phase of your life because of some kind of spiritual journey that you are walking on, that you are right now working on, okay? So it's just a phase, don't worry, keep going. 6th, 7th, 8th, we have 4 of Raphael. Seek out other possibilities. Again, you might be stuck on something or someone so badly that you can't see other possibilities, other opportunities that are right in front of you. Look for the magic in life. You guys, once you are going to be grateful for whatever you have, you guys are going to feel everything is magical around you. Be aware of your own emotions. Your own emotions can create certain kind of circumstances or situations that you might not like later on. You might do something in some kind of emotional flow that you guys are going to regret maybe later on. So watch out for your emotions, be aware of your emotions, okay? 6, 7, 8, 9th, we have leap of faith. Believe in yourself, listen to your heart, do what gives you joy. Instead of believing anything else or anyone else, believe in yourself as much as you can. You can do it, you can achieve it, you have the power, you have the strength, okay? Listen to your heart when it comes to this energy of wanting to achieve something in your life. Do what gives you joy, do whatever you feel is right for you, whatever gives you happiness, okay? 6, 7, 8, 9. 10th, we have King of Michael. Wisdom and objectivity are important now. Stay in your integrity. Staying in your integrity, it means doing the right thing even if nobody is watching. Choosing the right direction, choosing the right thing to do even if nobody is watching, even if nobody is like judging you. That is what we call as integrity. A situation that calls for honest and open communication. Something is going on in your life might be that requires open and honest communication. Don't delay that. Do that communication, do that honest conversation with whatever or whosoever is it is applicable. Whatever, in the sense, maybe you are working on a project or something, and you know that this project requires something else, but you are just doing something totally different. That kind of honest communication, if it is a thing, if it is a person, just have this communication as soon as possible and sort it out. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th. 11th, we have 9 of Michael. Your worry is unnecessary. If you're worrying about something that you cannot change or control or fix, then definitely it's unnecessary. Focus your thoughts on the outcome you desire. Whatever you are asking for, whatever kind of results you are hoping for in a particular direction of your life, focus on the outcome that you desire. Release feelings of regret, guilt, or worry to your angels. Release the feelings of regret and or guilt or worry that you are continuously living in regarding a particular situation of your life to your angels, to your divine, to your universe or existence, whatever you believe in, right? That's what the message is for 11th. Let's see for 12th of April what we have for you guys. Oh, I started shuffling. 12th, we have Epiphany. Joy through spiritual growth, be a light to others, answers that come through meditation. You guys are going to have some kind of spiritual growth on this particular day, and it's going to bring you a lot of joy and happiness. Be a light to others. Be a light to others means if you have gone through something in your life that was very very painful, and now there is someone around you who is suffering from the same kind of issues, you can help them also to get out of that shadow or dark life or dark side of their life. And this is what it means, right? And the answers that you're seeking for, the solution that you're seeking for from the outside world is actually within yourself. Sit with yourself, meditate, sit in silence with yourself, practice silence every day, and you will start getting the answers in your meditations. Okay, let's see the guidance for you guys. I am just done with this my own nose itching thing all the time. Yeah, I'm looking cute. I know. Thank you. So the final message here is there is a better course of action available to you. There is a stuck energy here. You guys are so stuck on something or someone. You guys are like, nah, this is the way, this is the path, this is the situation. I can't go anywhere else. I can't do anything else. It's just your mind stopping you from moving forward. Working alone may not be the best answer. So you can take help from others. You can work in a group or just give me a second. Okay, so you can work in a group or join a community or something that can help you to figure out the actions that you should take in a particular direction. Review all the details before proceeding further in anything in your life, especially if it is something related to documentation or paperwork or something like that. Okay, good to go. So thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.